Hello friends, I want to talk to you today about class link and performance matters. Now, class link, for those of you familiar with Symbaloo, is a lot like that. It's sort of a one-shop stop for all the things that we might use. And the icons will take you to IXL, performance matters, Gmail, all sorts of things. You just merely need to log in. We'll walk through that here in a second. The other thing is performance matters. Now this is similar in ways to PowerSchool. So there's a process to go through and I want to walk you through it right now. All right, this is the class link page and it is a gathering of all the icons and things that you might need once you're logged in. And since you're logged into ClassLink, you won't need to log into any of these other things that require a login. IXL, BrainPop, Performance Matters, Edpuzzle, all of that will already just take you right there. All right, so that's pretty handy. Now, to do so, we're going to send you this bit.ly, and you see it, step number 1 there, LCS ClassLink, and you'll see this screen. This is stuff that you are very familiar with. You put in your email address, your password with the 0. It's important that you bookmark this page so you can come back to it quickly. Now the previous page that we just looked at has a video link to it that will give you even more helpful hints. So here's your typical login. When you log in with Google, you're going to put your email. Don't forget the lcsedu.net. Click Next. Step 3 is your password. Don't forget to include the 0. And then step 4, click Next. All right. Then when you're on the class link page, we want you to work with Performance Matters. This again is a little bit like PowerSchool. When you click that icon, it's going to take you to the screen and you'll log in to an online test. Note that there is a student login and a teacher login. You just need to click and rather stick with the student login. All right. After you get logged in, you'll see an available test. Maybe you'll see more than available tests. This is an example of a area perimeter pretest. There are 4 questions, as you can see off to the right. When you click in the part where it says area perimeter test, it highlights, which is what the screen on the bottom says, and gives you a start button. So when you click start, you're going to get this first screen. All right. This just gives you a hint of what to do. If you see the question mark, it's a help thing, the highlighter tool to flag or remove a flag so that if you have a question about a test. And then, of course, the submit tests, previous and next. On the bottom below, there'll be a next button. And so you go there for your first question. Now, this happens to say question 2 of 4, but let's pretend it's the first question. Anyways, it's a question. This is asking you to solve for area. There are some parts to this text box area that you can work with, which includes changing what it looks like by bolding or italicizing. This is not obviously a multiple choice question, so you're going to have to solve and then type the answer in there. On the right side, you'll see a gearbox up here, and if you click that gearbox, this middle section here shows up and it allows you to manipulate the screen a little bit so that you can bring it closer if you need to, or you can change how it is, whether it's black writing on a white background or vice versa. You click the gear icon to turn that off. When you are ready to move on, you click the next button, and if you need to go back and review, you click the previous button. Of course, when you're done, you click the submit test. When you do click that the first time, you get this screen. It tells you what is answered and not answered. Hopefully you'll have 4 completed answers out of a 4-question test. Anything that you've flagged, you just go back with the cancel button and get that done. All right, and when all is done, you click submit test and you should be done. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you get a lot out of this, and we'll talk again soon.